Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Chemistry Pillar. Now in today's session we will discuss about the question number 7 of 500 plus question series. Now let's solve this question. The question is the major product in the following reaction. The major product formed in the following reaction is, okay, and we have given the condition, that is a zinc copper and CH2I2. Now and we have the two type of double bond, that is the alpha beta unsaturated systems and isolated double bond. Now the condition is zinc copper and CH2I2. This is condition for the Siemens-Smith reaction. Okay, this condition is the Siemens-Smith reaction and this is the Siemens-Smith reagent. Now how we can form the Siemens-Smith reagent? Using that diiodomethane and zinc copper couple. Let's see mechanism of. First we have to form the reagents for the cyclopropylation. Okay, mechanism for the formation of the reagents or zinc carbonide. In first step, CH2I2, that is a diiodomethane, in the presence of zinc copper couple. Okay, there is the insertion of the zinc in between this carbon and the halogen, that is iodine. Okay, now let's see the insertion of the zinc in between CH2 and iodine. Okay, now this is in equilibrium with the zinc CH2I. Now write like this, not in the plane. Then CH2I. This is in equilibrium. This carbonide is called the zinc carbonide. In first step of mechanism, there is the formation of the zinc carbonide. Okay, there is formation of the zinc carbonide. This is called the zinc carbonide. Now in next step, so what is the selectivity or what is the chemoselectivity of the zinc carbonide? That is, zinc carbonide is an electron deficient. Okay, it is an electron deficient electrophile. It is an electron deficient electrophile. So what is the selectivity or chemoselectivity of the double bond? Okay, towards the zinc carbonide. That is, more substituted double bond gives faster reaction. Okay, towards the zinc carbonide. Now then which double bond react? Okay, there is a chemoselectivity of the Siemens-Smith reaction. Now look towards this two double bond. This is the alpha beta systems and this double bond is in the conjugation. So it is a less electron rich double bond. It is an electron deficient double bond as compared to this double bond, because it is an isolated double bond and it is an electron rich, isolated as well as the electron rich double bond. And we know the chemoselectivity of the zinc carbonide is it react with the more substituted or more nucleophilic double bond. Okay, so the reaction goes like this. Sorry, iodine, CH2. Okay, just 1 minute. in first step is attack at this electron deficient carbene of the zinc carbonide, and then there is elimination of these groups. Sorry, like this, and there is a formation of the cyclopropane. Sorry, this one is small, one is large. Okay, there is a formation of the cyclopropane, C double bond O or CH3. Now this is a concerted mechanism. Okay, this mechanism is concerted mechanism, and the carbene in the zinc carbonide, it is a singlet carbenes. Okay, now looking towards this mechanism, the carbene involved in this reaction is not a free carbene. Okay, this is all about this reaction. Now which option is correct? Okay, look towards the option A, B, C and D. In D option, there is a formation of the cyclopropane at the isolated double bonds. Okay, on this double bond. So option D is correct option. This is the example of the Siemens-Smith reaction. Okay, thank you for watching video.